Okay, so this is our model, and that is what you see here. So that anytime we compute or want to determine that, we should be able to find that. And when you run a regression technique in Excel, these are three tables that you see: the regression statistics, the ANOVA table, then the coefficient table. In effect, regression is concentrating on the coefficient. So you see the intercept. This is the B naught. Then this is the B1, the square feet here. As you saw, the beta naught is this value, and the B1 is what? This value. Let me go back and go forward. I want us to compute this manually, or I did not. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so I think what will happen in this case is that we are going to use the Excel outputs, okay, to compute. But please note that manually, this is what we can do to, if we want to find beta naught and B1, these are the formula we will use to determine B1 and B2. But maybe in this class, we'll be depending on the Excel output to determine that. So if I ask you to write the regression equation based on this output, you come to the last table, the coefficient table, okay, and look for the intercept value plus that is the B naught, B0 or B1, which is the B1. We explain them that B1 actually will tell you exactly the estimated changes in the value of what? Y as a result of a unit change in X. Then B naught is saying that all other things being equal, if nothing happens to, there is no change in the value X, Y is going to be what? 0. Or Y will be equal to, Y will be equal to the beta naught. On that note, I will end here. I need you to go through the rest of the slides. It's just something we've discussed already, so we shouldn't have a problem at all. But I will simply inform you way ahead how I'm going to evaluate you, where to look out for. But Tilda, I'll be happy if you discuss with me after our meeting the things or what the tutor teaches you or go through with you. But please let the tutor note that we have not done section 5, 6, 7, and 8. Those are the main things I want them. Any other example they want to solve with you, that's not a problem. The fact that I've taught you only selected sessions doesn't mean you will not be examining on the other sessions. Please note that. However, I will communicate with you before any other thing. I'll pause here if you have any question, because today will be my last time. Oh, I don't know. Do you know when you are writing your exams?
Dr. Pete is in April.
April?
It's in April, yes.
Oh, April, okay. I'll try.
Late April into May, into early May.
Is it after Easter?
Oh, yes, after Easter. Late April into early May.
Okay,
I'll check the right date.
So I'll give you a bonus, means that you people should find a date somewhere in April, okay? And let's organize a tutorial. I'll personally do the tutorials myself via Zoom, so that if you have any question, you can ask me. But today will be the last time. I think that will be fair to you. I'll organize a tutorial for you guys before the exams. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Dr. P, can we have that? Can we have a face-to-face?
You want me to get corona?
Doctor, you will get corona.
Do you know how I've struggled to come to Ghana? Do you know how many tests I've done? I've done 5 tests. I don't want to go and do any test again for them to check whether I have COVID or not. Traveling is it's difficult this time. They put the things in your nose and all that. I don't know if government will jab me. If they give me the jab, fine. Will you guys go for the jab or 600,000 and some?
We are still
I
thinking
wouldn't.
about.
How many are you in your class in total?
For now, I think we are less than 200, or I think
Oh,
about
no,
200.
no, people will
I
get
think about
COVID.
200.
If we meet, people
200
will.
and
But Bethesda, I'm told you are from different locations. So how do you do face to face? Look, guys, the floor is open. Anybody can speak. Okay, I'm told you are from different locations.
Please, we are from different locations, and this is to be a very problem.
It's true.
So meeting you face to face is not ideal.
The majority is in Accra.
But I don't also believe always in majority.
I know, right?
That's my philosophy. I don't always believe in majority. That's a nonsense philosophy. Very, very nonsense. So you should decide. I can still do Zoom, but not 2 hours. Maybe I'll pick one question each under each topic, take my time and explain it to you guys. Then maybe a 3 hour, we'll do 2 hours break and come back. This is just a pro bono I'm doing. Nobody is paying me for this. But if it's not feasible, then we're going to cancel it. Okay, so
Dr. Peace, it will be feasible, don't worry. We'll fix it.
all right, so that should be sorry.
Will the recording be available as
yes, yes. Like I said, some of you have you been watching the videos on YouTube at all?
Yes, sir. So
I don't see your views. I see 20 views, 10 views. I mean, it doesn't show that you've been following. Yes, Emmanuel, Bongri.
Sir, we watch.
Okay,
Sir.
Emmanuel want to talk.
Sir.
Doc, please, I want to know, can we solve some questions and then send it to you via email for you to
But that is what I kept telling you guys. If you have a question you are solving and you are not getting it, just send an email. I will do that, because where we are now is COVID. You just try to use whatever is available to you. So yes, you can do that. You can, but don't depend on past questions too much. I don't do past questions. I do question by question. Bless talk. Yes, blessed.
Yes, sir. The videos on YouTube. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the videos on YouTube are very short, and we are not able to. I'm not able to get the full.
Okay, I get you.
Video.
Yeah, I said that.
Getting understanding become very difficult.
I haven't bought subscription on YouTube. I just try to create a channel just to upload it for you. YouTube only allows at this stage 15 minutes. I'm told I can increase it. I've not done that yet. And because of data, some of you don't have data. If I wanted to send the video one to Dropbox so you can go and download it. But I was thinking the 15 minutes helps. You watch 15 minutes, you go to the next session. 15 minutes goes to the next session. Other than that, better that we have to arrange. You can meet me or find a way to get the bulk of the recordings. 2 hours, each one of them is 2 hours, and give it to you if that is what will satisfy everybody. And when you get it, how do you distribute it to them? You can upload 2-hour video on WhatsApp. Can you do that?
No, Dr.
Exactly. So, but 15 minutes, you can upload it on WhatsApp and watch it on YouTube. So, bless. I'm finding a way to meet all of you based on your locations. Some don't even have data at all. But 15 minutes is enough to grasp maybe few information, and that should be it. Okay. Any other questions, so we can call it an evening? And good, I'm happy meeting you, though we don't see each other, but you've comported yourself, and
Okay, sir.
that is
Okay,
a
sir.
credit to all of you.
Doctor, we'll miss you.
I haven't gone anywhere yet. I'm in Ghana, so don't play. I don't even know you.
Doctor, I thought you said I should make time to arrange another class, or before we started the main class. I thought that was what you were talking about.
Another class.
Yes, I thought you said something like that.
No. So the truth is this: I'm supposed to do 4 sessions with you, same as my other colleague, but we realize that we cannot do 4 sessions and be in a hurry. Otherwise, we'll just come and read the information and tell you, if you don't understand, go and read later. So organizing a different group was the finding time for the Monday extra session, the Sunday extra session. But as I said, I will have another session with you to summarize everything and solve questions with you. That is prior to you writing your final exams. And we can do that on Zoom. But if other people want the full video, find a way to reach me. I'll give you full video for each of the recordings. Then you can find a way to also distribute to them.
Okay, doctor.
Yeah.
Doctor, please, with the linear programming, we didn't do simplex method.
Yes,
are we not going to? Are you?
No, I'm not going to teach you simplex method. This semester, I decided not to teach simplex method because already when we started the linear programming, the formulation, the sensitivity analysis, I realized that even the matrix, people still are struggling. And the simplest method is simplest method uses same matrix algebra using the Gauss-Jordan approach. So I've agreed with my other colleague that we are not teaching you simplex method, so don't worry about that. Jump it. Or
okay, doctor.
All right. Any other question from any other person, so we can call it an evening?
Doctor, please, are we still going to go by the 10 group for the assignment?
Yes, I have not forgotten. You see, I'm going to give you multiples of questions for each group to solve. And you will submit it. Now that I know you're going to write your final exam in April, by the mid of this month, next week will be busy for me. By mid of this month, I will send you 10 different questions for each group. Then they will have to solve it and submit their results to me. Their solutions. I'll tell you later how we are going to score. I know those of you who go and copy, please be warned. If I see a copied answer, I know. I have been a student before, and I'll mark that group 0 without any hesitation. So please note that. Unfortunately, I can't use Turnitin to check for plagiarism because this is maths, but I'll know solution in terms of how you approach it. Some of you, when we give you work, because it is virtual, you go and give it to your friends to solve it for you. Then you submit it and you are happily saying that you've passed the exams. You have to be very, very careful. Anyway.
Doctor, please, the groups are more than 10.
No. Better that we can't do more than 10. Why are they more than 10?
I don't get it. You said groups of 10 or just group 1, group 2 to group 10.
But the number that you said you are not even up to 200.
No, we are more than 200 now.
Actively. The maximum number in my class has been 180.
Yes, actively group 1 is Doctor, please, I'm coming. Group 1 is 213. That's the list I have now, and I'll send it to you tonight.
So we'll have 21 or 22 groups.
Yes, approximately 22
Okay,
groups.
okay, that's fine. That's fine. So 10 in each group. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
that's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Thank
All right,
you.
guys. We'll call it an evening. Thanks to all of you, and hope to see you later. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you too, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you to Doctor.
Thank you
Good
too,
night.
sir.
Thank
All right,
you.
cheers.
Thank you, sir.
We are so grateful.